when should I lift my index finger when sitting in tashahhud, and when should I put it down? From starting of tahiyyat itself, should I raise, or while saying ashhadu an la ilaha illallah and continue? The issue of raising your index finger in tashahhud is a confirmed sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, as per the hadith of Wa'il ibn Hujr, may Allah be pleased with him, where he said that the Prophet ﷺ, whenever he sat down, he used to point his index finger and move it, supplicating with it. This is all what was mentioned. So scholars looked into the hadith, and some of them said many different things according to their understanding, because it's not specific. It's just stating, pointing it, moving it, supplicating with it. So some of them said that, okay, we should only raise it when we say ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. And some said, and move it again upwards when you say wa ashhadu an Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. And some said that you should do that without moving it, as per the hadith of Abdullah ibn Zubayr, may Allah be pleased with him and with his father. And some said that you should move it whenever you supplicate, which means that whenever you mention the name of Allah. So whenever you say at-tahiyyatu lillahi was-salawatu wat-tayyibat, assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabi wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, assalamu alayna wa ala ibadillahi as-salihin, etc. And all of these are ijtihad, because there's nothing specific. However, if you look at the hadith itself, it simply states that he used to point his finger from the beginning of the sitting position till the end, moving it, not going up and down, rather moving it, and moving it in its place as if it's shivering or shaking. And you do this throughout the tashahhud. If you want to stand to the third rak'ah, you go ahead and stand. If you're in the last tashahhud, you continue to do it until you go for the salam. This is what appears. And at the end of the day, even if you don't raise your finger at all, from the beginning till the end, the prayer is valid, because this is a sunnah, an act of sunnah. If you don't do it, it has no impact on the validity of your prayer, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.